Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you member visibility shortcuts in Tekla structures. In this PDF, I'll explain you the shortcuts and step-by-step process in single PDF. So if you need this PDF, please join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide my email address in the description. I will provide PDF example to directly your mail. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures. In previous tutorial, I have explained how to create columns in Tekla structures. You can see in the tutorial 6, I have explained how to create columns with an example. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you the member visibility shortcuts. You can see, use the control 1. You can see in control 1 is the wireframe. Control 1 is the wireframe. You can see this is the wireframe visibility like this, and you can use the control 2 for transparent view. You can see control 3 for selection object to differentiate the selection object. You can see when you select it, this will be only the highlight the object. That is for example, you can see I'm going to select this both, control and copy and paste here. Once you select one member, you will get the only one member highlighted, and difference between the different selected object and the different unselected objects. Difference between the selected object and the unselected object, you can see like this by using the control 3. Now coming to control 4 is the solid view. You can see this is the solid view of this member. You can also browse from here view and render, and this is the control 1, and this is the control 2, and this is the control 3, and this is the control 4. This is members only. For components, you can use these options, shift 1, and you can see shift 2, shift 3, shift 4. These options are available only for components. We will see in our future tutorial what about the components and how to use the connections and everything in future tutorial. Okay, that's it about how to use this member visibility shortcuts in Tekla structures. Okay, if you need this PDF examples, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you.